Today, we're going to show you how to calibrate your scale. Press the 1988 button, then press Tare. To set the division, press Tare again. We're setting the division to 1 kilogram. Once set, press 0 to confirm. Next, press Tare to enter the decimal setting. We don't need any additional decimal settings on this scale, so leave it at 0, then press 0 to confirm. Now, press Tare to set the maximum capacity. We'll enter 3,000 kilograms as the max capacity, then press 0 to confirm. Press Tare again to enter the calibration weight. We're using a 1,021 kilogram weight. Next, hang the weight onto the scale. Once the display shows stable, press 0. The display should show stability. Press 0 once more, and you're done. Your scale is now calibrated and ready to go.